Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video in Photoshop, we are going to address one small issue that might occur in Photoshop, especially in the newer versions of Photoshop. That is, we cannot see the center of rotation while rotating any object. It may be an image or it may be a shape. Once we try to rotate any object, we cannot see. For example, if I try to rotate this, it will rotate, but we cannot see the center of rotation. We cannot define the center point of this rotation. So but in the earlier versions of Photoshop, you could see that. So even if I choose a shape, still we cannot see the center of rotation. So how to bring it back? It's a very simple fix. Select any object that you want and simply press Ctrl T, and if you are using Mac, then press Command T for transform. Then simply once you press Ctrl T or Command T, you get this particular option on the control panel or property panel. So check this option, check this, turn this option on. So once you turn this option on, in this particular area, select on the center. You might select any point, but it is preferable that you select the center point, so you will get this center of rotation. As simple as that. Then you can rotate this image along this or around this center of rotation like this. It will rotate like this, and once you press enter or press OK, it will come to center automatically. Then you can again change the center of rotation and again you can rotate this. You might, some people may call it axis of rotation or center of rotation. Like once you turn this on, it will remain there unless you turn it off. So this is the, I will zoom it a little bit so that you can see it properly. This is the center of rotation or axis of rotation. It will rotate around that point. That's why it is called as center of rotation or axis of rotation. So once again I will tell you, press Ctrl T or Command T, and from here if you don't want it, you can simply uncheck this, so it will disappear. And again if you want it, simply click over here, so again it will come back. So this might feel like a simple issue or a very small thing, but it can get very frustrating that we cannot find such simple thing in Photoshop. It might be very helpful while creating some designs, especially in Photoshop. So that's it. You can turn this on or bring this back, the center of rotation, using this simple method. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.